Hey, I'm Andy, I'm a software engineer, I earn over 6 figures. I don't say any of this to flex or anything like that because I want to quit and I'm in a quarter-life crisis. But to know how we got here, we need to rewind a bit. Welcome to Australia's nerdiest school. This is where we would literally skip class so we could go in the library and study. We would easily spend over 6 hours studying every single day, tutoring on the weekends, and literally everyone became a doctor or a lawyer. But I didn't make the cut. So while all my friends were out there being successful, doing their medical degrees, I was doing some lame business degree, had no idea what I was doing. I thought it was completely useless, and I decided to take a gap year because I wasn't getting anything from uni and I had no idea what I actually wanted to do.
This was by far one of the best times of my life. And it's the first time I picked up a camera, started shooting some video, taking some photos, and I became sick with the travel bug. I felt like I found some passion in photo, video, traveling, exploring.
And now we're back at uni. There was no chance I was going to pursue photography or videography. My Asian parents already nearly had a heart attack for letting me go on a gap year. And unfortunately, computer science was just another 4-year grind I had to get used to as a part of this academic journey that no one enjoys. But on the side, I never lost my passion for photo and video, and in 2020, I got my first big break. Things were finally looking up. People actually cared about my content, my videography, my adventures, and I thought there was an actual chance I could be a full-time content creator. I finally felt like I could chase my dreams. And then we became a software engineer. This was basically my long-term goal, my parents' goal, my vision, just trying to make 6 figures at a young age because, for context, in Sydney, every house costs at least $1 million. Even earning 100K, you can't even afford a house, but that's a rant for another time. With all that being said, I actually enjoy my job. I love my team, they're super nice. I know a lot of people would love this job too, and I'm very grateful. But I know this is pretty dramatic, but I just feel like I'm in the office every day. The weather's great, I should be out there doing better things. I'm only getting older and I'm just withering away at the office. Honestly, I'm pretty stuck with how hard I worked to get into this position, like 10 years of studying, all that crap. Also the fact that Sydney is so expensive, I have Asian parents breathing down my neck, and it's just hard for me to just decide to quit. But I guess deep down, I know what I need to do. So I've been doing a lot of whinging here, and what is the actual solution? The answer is full-time content creation. But it's not that easy. I always ask myself, how do these people go full-time? I don't want to be a freelance videographer, I just want to tell my own stories. Otherwise, I would just keep working my 9-to-5 job if I want to work for someone else. How am I going to pull off a software engineer to content creation transition, make even a close amount of money? Because to be fair, I need to support my family. How am I going to pull this off? That brings us to the game plan. Shout out to Ryan Trahan. But step 1, we need to aggressively save money because we're going to be eventually unemployed. Step 2, we're going to request 3 months unpaid leave to soft launch the full-time content creator career. And I really hope it gets approved and my manager says yes. But with this soft launch, how are we even going to make money? Right now, to be honest, I make about half my salary. The majority of my content creation earnings comes from brand deals, partnerships, and basically making content for other brands. We're going to think about ways to expand that, but for the 90 days I'm going to take leave, we're going to go hard, post every single day, maybe post photos as well, YouTube video every single week, and we will not have any regrets. This will be a do or die period. Step 4, after all that, maybe we'll finally quit the job. I know I have to do it, but look man, everyone around me is doctors, and it's hard to do. My parents are gonna be like, what the hell, but that is the plan, and hopefully things happen. So that is the plan to go from software engineer, nerd my whole life, to full-time content creator. I know it might seem that, oh, I've got all these followers on Instagram, TikTok, whatever, but it's not easy going full-time. And I've done so much slaving away my whole life, Asian parents, all this, all that. It's not easy for me at least. But who knows what's gonna happen? Maybe I won't earn any money at all, and I'm gonna have to go back to software engineering. I'll leave a job that I really like, which is not very optimal, or who knows, I might never come back. I'll frolic into the sunset and enjoy my time being a content creator, which I guess is what I truly love. Or do I truly love that? Who knows? But the point is, I hope you join me on this journey. This is, I guess, episode 1, a vlog of this whole process. So hopefully it yields good results. Should be great. And thank you for tuning in. We're going to have bigger and better videos coming up soon. Fingers crossed. Let's make this thing happen. I'll see you in the next one.